actually going to be shot in probably like 2 different parts. So I'm back with a different video. It's not a makeup video, but more so a style, or rather decor, event decor video. So my 3-year anniversary is coming up in a few days, and since we got married in the winter, my husband and I, we're not flying out anywhere because where we live is prone to snowing. So we are gonna have our anniversary at home this year. So, but I'm like, okay, well, let's bring the tropical, let's bring the island vibes home. So pretty much I am gonna be recreating, we spent our honeymoon in Jamaica, so I want to recreate the that island vibe, you know, a little margarita, a little drinky drink. Again. So we spent our honeymoon in Jamaica, and so I am bringing those island vibes. So I was like, okay, I have this idea, I want to bring the island vibes here at home. Now how am I going to do that is the question. But I'm like, all right, it doesn't take a whole lot to really create a good theme, a good decor, just the right items. So about 2 days before the date that we're going to celebrate our anniversary, and I'm today just prepping. I got this island theme balloon garland off of Amazon. So I'm going to blow them up. So it's all different, like the tropical color balloons. And then it also comes, which is pretty neat, the floral pieces to put in. Okay, so definitely stay tuned, all right, because I will share the final look and I'll take you along the whole process of creating this whole island vibe theme at home. Okay, all right, so I have the balloon bundle, and there's notches on here, so every other notch I'm putting it in. I'm trying to show it, but it's kind of hard to kind of get it. So anyway, you're gonna grab the end and you're just gonna slide it in the notch, and you could do it every other, like coordinate it so that it creates a cluster. So I'm gonna finish this up tonight, and then I will come back on Saturday once I put the curtains and all the decorations and the table and stuff. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so here is the final look, and just with a few things you can really